Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with SoFi for credit card autopay. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to the SoFi website. Log into your SoFi account using your email and password. Once you're logged in, locate the credit cards section in the main menu. Click on credit cards to view your account details. Select the specific credit card for which you want to set up autopay. Look for the Autopay option within the card details page. Click on Set up Autopay to begin the process. Choose your preferred payment method from the available options. You can typically select from a bank account or another credit card. Enter the required information for the chosen payment method. Review the payment schedule options, which may include monthly or bi-weekly. Select the date you wish your payments to be deducted. Confirm the amount you want to pay each month, either the minimum or full balance. Read through the terms and conditions related to autopay. Once you are satisfied, click on the Confirm button to finalize your setup. You should receive a confirmation notification that your autopay is active. Check your email for a confirmation message to ensure everything is set correctly. If you need to make changes in the future, revisit the Autopay section. You're now all set to enjoy the convenience of automatic payments with SoFi. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.